On July 19, 2022, a deputy was advised of a vehicle that had sped off after a neighboring county tried to pull it over for a traffic violation in Fond du Lac, Wisconsin. The deputy located the vehicle and observed them driving recklessly on the interstate. Dispatch also advised that their plates were registered to a different vehicle. When the deputy activated their emergency lights, the vehicle refused to pull over and reached speeds of 90 miles per hour.
Negative, I can 5 minutes. Do you have any other reason besides looking for Winnebago?
During the pursuit, the suspect threw a white bag from the vehicle, landing in the middle of the interstate. The following deputy stopped and picked up the bag, which contained a significant amount of illegal drugs.
There was a white garbage bag just south of Johnson on the shoulder side, median side, a paper bag. Continuing southbound, approaching military. That's 67 to 41.
The suspect continued to flee recklessly and reached speeds of 130 miles per hour, throwing more items out the window. Eventually, the suspect lost control of the vehicle and crashed, becoming disabled on the railroad tracks. The suspect then fled on foot.
He is still going. He is on the frontage road by the railroad tracks.
Five 8 Footfail by the railroad tracks and the frontage road. You're the car! Vehicles empty. All units, we need a perimeter. Set it up by the quad entrance. Also, we'll take it at 175 and 49, as well as the frontage road on 49.
Deputies deployed a canine unit and located the male hiding in the marsh grass.
Mike, he's in the tall grass. Get out of the tall grass! Get out! Get out of the tall grass! I can hear him moving around. Get over here! Get out! I can see you! You're gonna get bit by a fucking dog! Get up! Get up! Never! Get up! Now! Get up!
I don't want to move. I don't want to fight y'all.
Get up! Get on the ground now, dude! You're gonna get bit!
Right now.
Stop!
Resisting! You're gonna get bit! I will get on the ground right now. I'm not gonna resist y'all. I'm sorry.
The 28-year-old male was identified as Jarvis Starks.
My name is Jarvis Starks. My name is in my wallet, sir. You hear me? My wallet is in my pocket, sir. I don't want no problem with y'all today.
You should have stopped them, then you would have
I was
had
scared
problems.
as fuck. I was scared as fuck. Y'all scared the shit out of me, bro. I ain't gonna lie. I was scared as fuck. I was scared as fuck, y'all. How y'all doing today, sir?
You want to grab my flashlight?
My wallet is in my pocket, sir. You hear me?
We're getting you up.
Okay.
I should say.
Just give me 1 second here. You got any guns on you, partner?
No, sir.
You got anything in your pockets gonna poke me? Okay?
Not at all, sir. My wallet's in my pocket. With
Okay.
my ID, I'm from California. I grew up in Racine.
He's got cuts to his arm, just get him checked out.
I came to visit. I ain't gonna lie, y'all scared the shit out of me, bro. Last time I was in Wisconsin, I'm scared as fuck, bro. Y'all scared me. I ain't gonna lie to you. How you doing today, sir? You know my name? Can I know your name, officer?
What's that?
My name. Can I know your name? My name's Jarvis Starks, sir.
Jarvis Starks?
Yes, sir.
Yep.
My wallet's in here.
Are you from California or Wisconsin?
Yes, I'm from Wisconsin originally, but I live in California.
Okay.
I came to visit. Y'all scared the shit out of me, bro. I ain't gonna lie. I was scared.
Hey, all those drugs you had in the car you're throwing out.
I don't have nothing in the
Yeah,
car.
we found
Yeah,
it.
we
Don't
found
worry,
them all,
buddy.
man.
I didn't have no gun.
Yeah, well,
Okay.
we found it.
Nothing at all. Thrown out of my car. How
We're
y'all
gonna wait
doing
to
today,
run until
sir?
we get back in the squad.
How y'all doing today?
Good.
Good?
Ooh, shit, y'all scared the shit out of me. I ain't gonna lie. Ooh, shit, y'all scared me.
All right, we're gonna get you up.
All right, big dog.
Checking the wire.
I'm not doing no resisting. I got money in this other pocket, the left pocket. That's it. That's
Roll
it,
you
big
over to
dog.
that side.
Yeah. Got you. Y'all do y'all job. I do what I'm supposed to do. I ain't did nothing wrong. Y'all scared the shit out of me though. Fuck. Fuck.
He was throwing stuff
Just
out left
money,
and
right?
Yeah, no.
No, I didn't throw nothing out.
Dude, come on, man. Not in the mood to play
They already
fucking
found
games.
you.
I didn't
Bunch
throw
of drugs
nothing
on.
out.
Yeah.
For sure didn't throw nothing out, big
Got a
dog.
lot of
I
cash.
watched you come out the window.
That's
like
all I
that.
got is cash.
Well, that's why we got cameras. Yep, you're right.
That's it. Y'all scared the shit out of me, big dog. Thank y'all for, I ain't gonna lie, I appreciate y'all for not beating my ass, because I know how police can
All right,
get
why don't you get up?
in the middle. I appreciate y'all. Thank you so much.
2, 3.
I got shoes down here.
All right, are you okay? Okay, because you went into that ditch hard. Okay?
Dog, I ain't gonna lie.
Okay, are you okay?
I'm thankful y'all didn't beat my ass, folks. I'm literally terrified of police. Y'all didn't beat my ass. Thank you. I appreciate y'all so fucking much. Wow, bro. I ain't gonna lie. That's the biggest thing that I care about right now. Y'all didn't beat my ass. I don't care about nothing else, sir. Y'all didn't beat my ass. Thank you.
You guys got transport?
Hey, can I tell y'all that? You, excuse me, sir.
Stay right there. Yep. He's got
Drop your
water.
shirts, man.
No, I didn't have no shirt.
Oh, that's right. There's drugs in here. That's why.
Yeah.
That's not mine.
Yeah, man, we saw it get thrown out the window.
That's not mine.
It's too late now, man.
I had nothing.
All right.
Not at all. It
Okay.
didn't come out of my car. Sure did. The shopping cart.
Hey, do we mind if we put them in the back of yours for right now?
Yeah, that's fine.
Thanks. All right.
Fuck, y'all amazing for not beating my ass.
Well, why would we do that?
That's what
You know?
police do, for
Okay,
real.
but we don't do that.
Sir, and
You know?
that's all I'm saying. And
Okay.
besides everything else, I just simply want to thank you for not beating my ass in the middle of the
Well,
nowhere.
yeah, we ain't gonna do that to you, man.
That's what police do to black men.
okay.
And thank y'all for not doing it. Okay? You hear me,
keep
sir?
making that. I've been a sweet getaway on the
You
railroad
hear me,
tracks.
sir? Excuse me, sir. Excuse me.
What?
I just want to thank you for not beating my ass in the middle of nowhere as a black man in the middle.
Chase is over, man. We got
in the
you.
middle of America.
Yep.
Thank you.
Yep.
I
all right,
mean,
man.
I don't think you understand
where else
that
hey.
I mean that from the bottom
Hey,
of
bud.
my heart.
Hey, bud.
I swear
Listen to
God,
me.
I was
Hey, give me a
terrified
second.
of y'all, bro.
Give me a second, okay?
Feel my heart.
Yeah, I
Feel
know,
my
man.
heart.
I can feel your heart
Feel
pounding
it.
out of your chest,
Feel it.
okay?
I
Do
was
you have
literally
anything else
scared
on you?
of y'all, no.
Okay, all right.
Nothing.
So, where else are you hurt? Okay, because like I said, I thought you rolled your vehicle.
My leg, I feel like it's fucked up. That's
Okay.
about it, bro.
Okay, but what do you mean it's...
I don't know. I feel like it's bleeding a little bit. That's it.
Okay, gotcha. But
it,
you don't
man.
feel like it's broken or anything like that?
Hey, y'all amazing, bro. For not.
Okay,
I
yeah.
don't think y'all get how happy I am right now for all of these. Excuse me, can I come here? I ain't on no funny shit.
You know how close you were to getting bit?
Listen, can I tell y'all this? Listen, in the middle of Wisconsin, for all of these white officers to arrest me for and me not to be beaten for,
Listen, man. I'm not going to listen to it right now because you led us on a car chase. You almost killed how many people?
Listen,
You had
hear me
drugs.
out.
I'm not
Hear
going to
me
listen
out.
to you.
All
If you're
I'm
going to
gonna
play
do
that
is
card,
thank
you can
you
sit in
for
the car.
that. That's all
Go
I'm
ahead.
gonna do.
Take a seat.
Sit
Take a
down.
seat.
Beat my ass.
Sit down.
That's
Go
all
ahead.
I can do.
You're fine. You're fine. Just
I
take a seat.
appreciate you, officer.
Yep. Take a
That's
seat.
all. That's
Swing
all
your
and
feet
that's
in.
it.
Swing your feet in.
Everything else I can deal with in
Yep.
the court of law. But
Yep.
I thank y'all for not
All right.
beating my ass. Okay. Okay.
Yeah, I saw
And
that.
then it's an open field. I'm like, it's not in the open field.
And then I told you, I'm like, he's in the, like I can see it. And then all of a sudden I come around the corner and I see a white t-shirt laying in the grass. I'm like, I literally told him, I'm like, dude, you better crawl out now, otherwise you're gonna get bit. And then I just I pulled him out, dude. I was done. I didn't even get to see what Andy got.
Driving up, I'm like, isn't it goddamn French Road now?
Oh, I thought he rolled it.
He made it up this though. I saw it. That's why I kept going.
Yeah.
Blue 30s, Coke.
I like that. That's a Coke, dude.
I was going to
Oh,
go into that
man.
turnaround that you were in, and then I'm like, I'll go one north just in case.
Dude, that's good stuff, man. I don't know what's in this. Oh, that's just the packaging. Yep, I agree. Oh, good job, dude. He threw out 2 bags, just so you know.
What did he throw at B?
2, I don't know what he threw at me. He was throwing stuff.
It was like a small little Ziploc looking thing. What?
Sure, 77. It was what?
Uh-oh.
After searching his vehicle, deputies located a loaded firearm and a digital scale.
Loaded?
Yeah.
One in the chamber?
One in the chamber. Beautiful.
Hey! Car guy's in the back seat here.
Oh, shocker.
Alright, man. Ambulance is here. You want him to check you out? Yeah? Okay. Alright.
That's for sure, brother.
Yep. So they're gonna check you out, man. All right. Did it not look like he rolled it though?
Like, we lost him. Like, he
Yes.
looked like he rolled, and I'm like, oh, he's down in there. And all of a sudden, I see a Dukes Hazzard.
Yeah.
I'm like, no way.
Yeah. Yep. That's why I said get an ambulance rolling. Like he rolled it.
I'm like, negative. He's going.
Yep. He's still going.
Do you want to?
Ow, fuck.
He's going to be going to Murphy's then after. I didn't know if school cops carry belts anymore or not.
Yeah. Fuck my foot. Oh, shit.
Yeah, dude.
Manage your foot.
It's the left foot. I feel like the toes might be broke. Oh, fuck. Can I piss with this left shoe off?
You can go with no shoes if you don't want shoes on.
Oh,
We just got to put your hands in front of you, okay?
That's fine. Do I have to? I could do it like this if you want to. I ain't gonna lie. I don't
Well,
wanna
that's
get y'all
fine.
down.
That's fine.
I
No, that's fine. You can.
wanna whip
I'm
you
not
out
going to
of
help
this.
you though.
Ah,
We'll
fuck.
go over
I don't
here.
think that's gonna work. I ain't gonna lie. Y'all could have beat my ass in them bushes. I was
We
terrified.
don't beat
My heart was
asses.
pumping. I think that's why y'all seen the grass. Cause y'all seen my heart pumping. I was
Put
scared.
that one on. Yeah.
I can piss now?
Yeah, why don't we go over here? You can go right here.
Oh shit.
Would you mind transporting him so that I can start working on evidence and getting the appropriate charges in?
Yeah, I was taking it because I was going to go look for that other bag that they can't find because I seen where it came out.
Oh, okay. All right.
Alright, big dog.
What's that?
I'm done. It's kind of hard putting my penis back in my pants.
Do you need that to go lower? You can pull lower. Push it down lower.
Oh, fuck. I think my fucking toe is broke. Oh,
155, 259.
I think my toe broke, big dog.
Good.
You good?
My penis is up.
That's fine. You're going to take them shorts off anyhow.
My toe is broke.
We'll go to the
You position your squad car on the slow lane. I'm going to come back up the other way.
How about you just leave that off if your toe hurts? Have a seat, I'll put it in there with you.
That shit hurt.
Sheriff 90.
The pursuit lasted nearly 14 miles and increased speeds to over 130 miles per hour. The bag that was recovered during the pursuit contained 5 baggies of counterfeit oxycodone pills laced with fentanyl and 3 bags of cocaine. The suspected fentanyl pills had a total weight of 297 grams and were estimated to be around 2,500 individual pills. The cocaine weighed 84 grams. In total, the bag of illegal drugs had an estimated street value of around $80,000. Jarvis was charged with felony counts of possession with intent, fentanyl, possession with intent, cocaine, first-degree recklessly endangering safety, and fleeing eluding an officer, ×2. Misdemeanor counts of resisting and possession of drug paraphernalia. His cash bond was set at $250,000. Do you enjoy our content and want to see more? Join the Code Blue Cam Patreon for early access to ad-free videos, exclusive content not published on YouTube, behind the scenes, and much more. By joining, it will help with the production, sustainability, and long-term viability of Code Blue Cam. See the link in the description for more information. We are truly thankful for all your support.